Lesson: Gravitational fields. Define gravitational field. A gravitational field is a region of space where a mass experiences a force. Define gravitational field line. Field line represents the direction of force acting on tiny test mass, placed in a gravitational field, or path taken by a tiny test mass placed in a gravitational field. State Newton's law of gravitation. 2-point masses attract each other with a force that is proportional to the product of their masses, and inversely proportional to the square of their separation. Newton's law specifies that the two masses are point masses. However, the law still holds where the diameter or size of the masses is small compared to their separation. Define gravitational field strength at a point. The gravitational field strength at a point is defined as the force per unit mass placed at that point. What are geostationary satellites? If a satellite's orbital path is directly above the equator and it orbits in the same direction as the Earth spins, west to east, and it has an orbital period of 24 hours, then it is called a geostationary satellite. Show that the gravitational field strength is numerically equal to acceleration of free fall. Gravitational field strength is gravitational force over mass. Acceleration of free fall is weight over mass. Gravitational force is the weight, so gravitational field strength is numerically equal to acceleration of free fall. People and objects inside the satellite experience weightlessness. Explain. As satellite is in circular motion, the force of gravity provides the centripetal force. That is, weight of the object equals centripetal force. Acceleration is equal to acceleration of free fall at the orbit. People and objects inside the satellite are experiencing a free fall situation and apparent weightlessness, or as satellite is in circular motion, the force of gravity provides the centripetal force. Reaction force is the difference between gravitational force and centripetal force, which is zero for people and objects inside the satellite. Define gravitational potential at a point. Gravitational potential at a point, in a gravitational field, is defined as the work done in bringing unit test mass from infinity to that point. Explain why gravitational potential is always negative. The gravitational potential is zero at infinity. The gravitational force is always attractive, and so, as the test mass moves from infinity, work is done by the gravitational field, and as a result its potential decreases. Therefore gravitational potential is negative. Spherical mass may be considered to be a uniform sphere, with its mass m concentrated at its center. Explain. The gravitational field outside a spherical uniform mass is radial, hence normal to the surface. This means that, from outside the sphere, all the lines of gravitational force appear to meet at the center of the sphere, similar to a point mass.